learners, welcome to week 2 of virtual learning. It's gonna be great, okay? So one question that kept coming up over and over was, okay, so right here is where you'll get into Zoom. So we had our first Zoom meeting. Thank you for coming, who did come. It was awesome. It was fun seeing your faces, okay? Every Tuesday and Thursday from 1 to 1:30, you'll come to this page and then you'll click on here if you would like to. It is totally optional. You do not have to come to it, but it's a question and answer forum. You come here, you click on that, and then you type in the password Falcon Math. And there has to be a minimum of 3 people, me plus 2 others. It could be if it's another adult, like Mr. Johnson is there, or if 2 kids are there, we will be able to hold the Zoom weekly meeting, okay? So, to get into Zoom, you come here, click on that link, enter the password, and that is it, okay? So we're on week 2, so right here is April 6th through April 9th, which is what we're talking about. Here is the video quiz, area of a circle video quiz. Guys, we've done the area of a circle right before we went on this long break. So it is a review. So what I did was I went ahead and put the 8.3 notes we took in class before break, which is my notes that I took with you guys. You should have your own notes in your notes, but it is right there. So you'll have to watch the area of a circle video quiz, watch the video, and then take the quiz, okay? Then, just like last week, you'll have a big ideas, and then this week's a little different. You're going to do a quizzes activity. What you're going to do is you're going to click on quiz that, and it will take you to this link, okay? You are to put your name in here. Make sure the name you put in there is your first and last name. So if my name was Bob, I need to put my last name also, Bob Dylan, okay? You cannot just put your first name because some of us, we have more than one, like Chelsea. Maybe we have more than one Chelsea, and I have to get that for a grade. We're going to take this quizzes. It's a really fun game. It should be good. It's a good review. It's over the area of a circle. So do the video quiz, do the big ideas, and then go ahead and do the quizzes activity. And that is all for this week. Another thing that I was asked by a couple of students is, what am I supposed to do today? So Monday you do all this, and then on Tuesday you're like, what, do I have anything to do today? Okay, I am assigning the whole week's worth of homework. So basically all week you can work on this at any point in time. So those 3 things have to be done by next Monday at 8:30 a.m. Okay, so the video quiz, the big ideas, and the quizzes has to be done by next Monday. That means that you could do all of it on Monday. You could do 1 on Monday, 1 on Wednesday, 1 on Friday. I do not care, but remember, I do have Zoom available on Tuesday and Thursday, so if you do have questions, that's going to be the best time to ask them. Okay, so don't procrastinate. Space it out. Don't do it all at once. It's too tedious to do it all once. But alright, we did a great job for the first week, and I'm excited to start the second week with you guys.